Hi guys! Finally, nakuha ko na ito, nahulog. I'm going to cut this top. After. Hi, good morning, te. Ito. Imangkan maganda to na. It's very hard to cut this. I'm trying to cut this one.
Manang agpupukaw sa aso. Ay, alain da.
Nagtartaray gamin da di inada kam kamaten da. Hindi nagawid siguro, hindi na mo di da mo.
Ang ingay nila dito, guys. Hope you understand their languages. We're Ilocano, guys. Hello to Ilocano. Oh, mahirap talaga ang. That's why coconut in other countries. Oh, I have the juice now. Oh, look at that. Oh, sayang yung juice niya. Oh, finally. Very sweet, guys. Alam niyo, very sweet. Oh. Ang sarap-sarap. Mostly Filipinos, they don't drink that much juice. Coconut juice. They only eat the inside one. This one, inside one. There's no straws in mountain. So you guys understand? Walang straw dito. They might have, we have at home. Ang hirap pala maging farmer. It's hard to become a farmer. But we don't have choice. Busog na. Let's see. I'm going to... Oh!
Okay, samta si daun tayo ito amin.
Kunak ngay ka agbuta sa mamang abong mamin ano na ulit-ulitin ni mo nang dilya apay. Daba kami no bigat.
Look at this. We can eat this one na, oh.
Subunga dak pailaan. Kuha ko na ni ko. Mang. Daba ka kanu no bigat.
Very nice.
Kunak kay di kanu din na sanyo.
This is my guest here. He's going to harvest some of the gabi from that side.
12 kilos. 1/4.
Karuman. Nagbasit na
Nagdadak kayo pa
Hugasan ko na lang, guys. Look at this. You see? I got from this. You wanna try?
No. Katurog nila kayo na pailang.
Try also. Nice. Hi, this is my PA of my mom. This is my mom. See? Hello to my vlog.
Hi.
Ate. Hello also to my vlog. She's going to harvest na. Gabi. From this one. Say hello.
Hello, ma'am. Mga friend mo.
Agbil-bil ay agbil. Bla-blag ka road. Panabli na vlog ni Berhilyo Tatay.
Ako, pero may ano dadam.
Ito, papakain ko na ng fish.
Samtuman dita, baka nailumlumbos mo dita dati. Okay na nga duwa.
Nagbaburas kayo buko yan.
Ito, papakain na to sa ano. Sa ako.
Ay, my God.
Sabi kayo ni Tintin nagdana ko ah.
Yeah, look at this.
Awanin niya na kampiyan. Yan, nagdadungan.
No more ampiang. Ano nung worst ampiang?
Mayat man ang sibug-sibug.
It is good. This is good. But this one, I'm gonna feed this to the
Tingnan mo siguro kung
fish pan na.
kagitan.
That's why our fish here is organic because we don't feed food for the fish. Sarap, guys.
Nagpupura. Di ka naman di tayo.
This is my ampyang. He likes coconut. Also my dog. Looking for the baby. I keep this to Marcos. How about this one po ng mami? Alam yung kinjaaba. Thank you.
Ano sa aba?
Ipang ko dyan, yawid ko, Hong Kong.
Galyang data.
I don't know. Galyang.
Galyang tamay sa aba dyan may sa.
Sorry guys, I harvested the wrong thing. I'm going to throw this one in the fish pan kasi organic itong ipapakain ko sa fish. There you go. Woohoo! That's for the fish naman. Ampyang. Ampyang. See? Ampyang eat coconut. He loves eating coconut. He loves eating coconut. Yeah. See, this is my dog here. The baby. Oh, see? Ang sexy niyang kumain, guys. Ampyang, come here. Some more to eat. That's my dog. But the baby nawawala. May kumuha, guys. See, ang sexy niyang kumain ng coconut. I supposed to give this to the fish there. Pero, siya nang kumain. It's fine. He loves eating though. Ampyang. Ang payat na niya, oh. She just had a baby. Summer. Some more, one more, baby. Be. Ampyang. Ampyang. Oh, see? He loves eating my coconut. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Ito na ang harvesting video ko. Hope to see you later. Bye. Love you all. God bless.